lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babaylan TV.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for November the 15th to November the 21st reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. So yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So kung gusto niyo pong magtanong, pwede naman po dito sa ating comment section, as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? So kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng inyong yes or no lang na sagot, no? Pwede po kayong magtanong sa ating description box. Na doon po yung link ng ating, o kung gusto niyo may explanations, no? Pwede kayong magtanong doon sa ating link. I-route kayo doon sa ating website. Yung website po, nandun po yung information, no? So, there's a minimum payment, no? Siyempre, gumagamit tayo ng mga ilaw, no? So, the expenses, hindi po yun free, no? Pero kung free, pwede naman kayong magtanong as long as the question is answerable nga by yes or no. Alright? So, this is for Earth signs, November the 15th to the 21st. So, magsimula na tayo. Earth signs. Bakit parang meron ditong gusto sanang i-celebrate, no? I-celebrate, sabihin, umamin. Kaso parang ang nangyayari, merong control, no? So, yung control dito parang sinasabi natin na nagiging ano siya, minsan oo na hindi. Do you get what I mean? So para kasing meron ditong aamin ako, sasabihin ko na, pero babawiin. So nagkakaroon ng on and off, no, yung situation. So parang sinasabi dito na minsan it's too obvious na nakikita yung kanilang nararamdaman. Minsan sobrang expressive sila. Minsan naman, hindi mo na siya, minsan sobrang cold, no? So yun yung nakikita ko dito. Pwedeng ikaw itong binabasahan ko, pwedeng itong person mo, no? So you would like to end you would like to finish the video for you to see kung anong zodiac sign. Baka again, no, this reading is actually for confirmation, no, Earth sign, na that would be your person. So sasabihin ko yung zodiac sign mamaya. So parang meron ditong, sige na nga, aaminin ko na, sige na nga, sasabihin ko na, ipapakita ko na, no, yung nararamdaman ko. But parang may pumipigil. I feel like meron kayong a-attenan na party, event, situation, no? It may be holiday, it may not be a holiday, it could be, just an event na sinabi, it could be a birthday, binyag, what have you. I feel like dito magkakaroon ng lakas ng loob yung isang tao to express how they truly feel about you, no? So, ngayon, medyo parang alanganin, no? Itong expression niya. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, oo na hindi, on and off, no? Parang go na hindi din. So, ang daming pwedeng mangyari doon sa situation na yon na inaabangan natin, no? I also feel like a-attend ba ako? It could also be a Christmas party, no? Siguro ngayon pa lang, you're probably thinking, attend ba ako sa Christmas party namin? Um, Kasi iniiwasan ko siya, iniiwasan niya ako, no? Ayokong probably dumating dun sa part na baka may marinig akong hindi ako ready. So, hindi ko sure, no? Kumbaga, ako din, deep inside me, if I am, the earth sign, sasabihin ko sa sarili ko, yung will, gusto ko sanang pumunta, pero iniiwasan ko kasing marinig, no? Probably this is more of hate of rejection. The Four of Cups, the Ten of Swords, and the Nine of Cups. So parang ang sinasabi dito ng tao, nahihirapan akong sabihin, nahihirapan din akong sa sarili ko, no, na ayoko nakakarinig ng hindi maganda, ng hindi pabor sa akin. Parang feeling ko sa ngayon merong parang labuan na nangyayari dito. Sabihin natin na yung labuan hindi ko siya pinapansin. Hindi ko siya masyadong kinakausap, no? Kahit gusto ng puso ko, no, hindi ko siya kinakausap. Sa ngayon gusto kong mag-isip, no? Sa ngayon gusto kong magkaroon ng katahimikan muna. Kasi at this current moment in time, medyo magulo ang isip ko. At this current moment in time, medyo stressed ako. So, ang gusto kong i-focus ngayon is kung ano yung nangyayari sa akin, no? At the moment. Total, medyo malayo pa naman to. What I would love to do is to set this aside for now, no? Kasi ngayon medyo tight ang schedule. It could also be a tight budget. Although there is willingness, no? Part of you is willing to actually attend, do, siguro at the back of your mind, there is a scenario playing na ano kaya yung pwedeng isuot, no? So hati talaga yung decision making if I'm going to attend, if I am not going to attend, if I'm going to hear that's favorable for me or not. So clarifying the Four of Cups is the Judgment and the Five of Wands. So nagtatalo talaga. So far yung decision making ngayon, whether or not you're going to see this person, attend to a party, kabado, no? Kabado tayo. Kasi parang bakit ang baba ng kumpiyansa natin dito, no? Ang baba ng kumpiyansa natin dito na kasi you feel like this person do not have feelings for you. You're just crossing your fingers na hopefully sana baka naman meron. Kaso I myself know that I wasn't ready to hear something that is really not favorable for me. With a Knight of Cups and the Six of Wands. Actually, the Six of Wands signifies good news. The Six of Wands signifies something that's really favorable for you. But I think with the current situation that's going on right now, I feel like medyo nag-overthink tayo, no? Overthinking is probably meron na rin ditong mixed, no? Or additional itong fear, anxiety, no? Fear of rejection, anxiety, ano pa ba yung pwede ditong pumasok? Traumas from the past, that's actually one of those fears na isa rin sa pumapatong, no? Or additional fears because of what happened from the past. Uh, with other people, with the exes or failed connection. No, it may not be a relationship yet, but failed connection. The justice, which I love dahil sobra-sobra itong pwedeng positibong mangyari, which is really in favor of you. The justice card is here, but iba yung pwedeng mangyari sa tumatakbo sa isip mo no? Ang tumatakbo sa isip mo, sobrang layo, sobrang magkaiba doon sa, I don't know what you're thinking right now because hindi rin kasi vocal, hindi rin kasi expressive. I feel like meron ditong, kapag meron ng halo, no? Ng alak na saniban o pag may alak, may balak. Ayan. But what I'm trying to say here is yung iba kasi lumalakas yung loob, no? Hindi naman to magmamaoy na gagawa ng eksena, no? Pero I feel like these person na inaantay mo na gusto mong sana magsalita, umamin, I feel like this is really going to happen. Pero kapag nahaluan na ng spirit, no? Kapag nahaluan na siya ng, meron na siyang, kumbaga, backup, no? Yung iba kasi, di ba? And this is not drugs, don't worry. So, this is more of, it could be wine, it could be beer, it could be vodka, what have you, no? Tequila is also what I am seeing in here. Why do I feel like I'm talking to someone, whether this is you or the person, no, that you are connecting with, meron siyang crown tattoo, no, or a tattoo that's somewhere near the head, pwedeng leeg. The star, I'm seeing a lot of tattoos in here. The tattoos are very creative. The tattoos are, why do I'm hearing Rihanna? No? Yeah, somehow looks like this. Pwedeng, anong tawag dito, sleeves, ang tawag iba dyan, no? So, I'm also seeing that tattoo, or it could also be a tattoo near the hips or legs. Ginaganyan ko pa, hindi nyo naman nakikita. Basta, alam nyo na. So, with the Knight of Cups in here, mabagal lang talaga kasi itong taong to mag-express, no, ng kanyang emotion. It kind of make me feel like what you are thinking with the Five of Swords kasi signifies, no, Five of Swords can be a double-edged sword, no? It may signify you are losing in the game, but it also signifies that I am fighting to win on the game. So, ang nakikita ko dito is, since merong contradiction, since merong polarities, no, itong Five of Swords, I think that this represents you kasi what is about to happen is really positive, but what you are thinking is merely the opposite of it. So the problem here is the negativities that we are actually preempting, no? So parang pini-preempt natin yung nangyari. That's why overthinking kicks in, no? Pini-preempt natin yung nangyari. We're thinking of the worst. Sometimes it works, di ba? Kasi you're preparing yourself for the worst. But I feel like you want to experience something good, pero you're killing the vibe of it. So, fortunately, wala dito yung the magician, no? The magician kasi actually signifies what you are expecting is about to happen. Now, the thing here is, what is dominant, no? Yun kasi ang magiging takeaways natin. So, what we can learn from this, ano ba yung dominant ngayon? The fear is really dominant in here. That's why the judgment is here. We need to convert those fear into something expecting really positive for us to experience, no? Kasi so far, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, fortunately, wala dito yung magician. Hindi siya nag-appear. Ano ba to? It's not. The Three of Swords. So, kasi, yun nga. So, kinukunin na natin kasi I don't know why do I pick it up. Pero kompleto naman na. Chances are, what's manifesting or what is dominant in your energy with the Three of Swords actually signifies pain, suffering, tears, disappointments. So, is that what you're really something you are expecting? You're expecting something positive, but what's dominant is the fear, this, pain. So, wala pa man din yung situation, parang pinagluluksa mo na, kinakabahan ka na, kaya merong ayokong gawin niya, ayokong pumunta, no? So, again, if that works for you, that works for you, no? Pero ito kasing reading mo, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. The zodiac sign here could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? So what I'm seeing in here is Sagittarius, Pisces, Aquarius, Scorpio, Libra, Leo, Cancer, Taurus. Yep, so this is your reading, Earth signs. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome to do so. You can ask a question. Kung hindi niyo po naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section. As long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero again, kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso po kayo dun sa ating description box. Sa description box po, makikita niyo po, no, yung link. So, nandun po yung how much per question, the name, the number, and the QR code for your reference. Ayan. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box. So, check nyo na lang yung QR codes, no? So, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Earth signs.
You want the